Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Zac.
Hello, Zac. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about today's topic.
Yes, today is episode 34. Today we will talk about learning English.
Learning English, simple steps, small habits, and real stories, right?
Right. We will speak slowly. We will use simple words. This is for beginners.
And we will share our little stories, real-life stories, so you feel like you are with friends.
So, Zoe, tell me, when did you start learning English?
I started when I was in middle school. I was shy. I did not speak much.
Me too. I remember my first class. I was nervous. My heart beat fast.
Yes, I had a teacher who said, "Make mistakes. It is okay." That helped me.
That is a good teacher. I had a friend who practiced with me after school. We read simple books together, small steps.
Small steps are important. Many beginners feel they must speak perfectly from the start.
But no one is perfect. Learning is a process, slow and steady, little wins every day.
For example, I learned 10 new words each week. Then I used them in sentences. That helped a lot.
I liked to watch short videos, 5 minutes each. I would repeat what I heard. At first, I could only say one sentence. After many days, I could say 3. That felt great.
Yes, repetition is powerful. Practice again and again. Also, try to speak every day. Even 2 minutes is good.
2 minutes is better than 0, and it builds confidence. You will see progress, slowly but surely.
Exactly. And do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are the fastest way to learn.
Let me share one small story. Once I was at a cafe. I wanted to order coffee in English.
Oh, yes, I remember this. Go on.
I practiced at home. I would like a coffee, please. Simple. When I went to the cafe, I felt nervous. My voice was small. The barista asked questions fast. I smiled and said, "1 coffee, please." The barista smiled back and asked, "Hot or iced?" I remembered the word hot. I said, "Hot, please." The barista smiled and I felt proud. It was a tiny win.
That is perfect. Small wins like that give you courage. After that, Zac, you ordered more in English, right?
Yes, after that, I tried more. I ordered food, asked for directions, and talked a little with neighbors. Each time it got easier.
Another tip is to use simple resources. Children's books are great. They use easy sentences.
And cartoons. Cartoons use clear speech. They repeat words. They are fun too. Learning is easier when it is fun.
Yes, fun keeps you going. Also, use a small notebook. Write new words, write 1 short sentence with each word. That helps memory.
Let's talk about listening. Listening is a big part of learning. Many students feel listening is hard.
Yes, it is hard at first, but you can start with slow audio. There are many slow podcasts and videos for learners. Listen and repeat. Listen and shadow. That means speak with the speaker. Copy the speed and rhythm. It helps your pronunciation.
Shadowing is a good trick. It feels strange at first, but your mouth and ears learn together. After a few days, your pronunciation becomes better.
What about speaking with others? Some learners feel scared to speak. They think others will judge them.
I felt that too, but think about this. Most people are kind. They want to help. They like when someone tries to speak their language. Be brave. Start with hello, how are you? Then short sentences like, I like this place, or I'm learning English.
And remember, simple is beautiful. You do not need long sentences. Short, clear sentences are fine.
Here is a practical plan for beginners. Step 1, learn 5 new words a day. Step 2, make 1 short sentence with each word. Step 3, listen for 10 minutes. Step 4, speak for 2 minutes. Step 5, review, repeat.
That is a nice plan, simple and doable. And on weekends, try something a bit longer, like watching a 20-minute video or reading a short story.
Also, use technology. There are apps that give daily practice, but don't stare at the app all day. Mix app practice with real speaking. Real people matter.
Yes, apps are helpful for vocabulary and grammar, but we learn language to talk with people. Find a language partner, maybe a friend or online partner. Practice twice a week. Short calls are great.
I want to share one small mistake I made. Once I read a long grammar book. I tried to learn all grammar rules at once. It made me very confused.
I did that too. Grammar books are heavy. They can stop your motivation. Better to learn grammar gradually. Learn the grammar you need now. For example, if you want to talk about yesterday, learn past tense first. That is practical.
Yes, learn what you need. Make grammar a tool, not a mountain. Use simple examples and practice. That helps memory.
Let's talk about reading. Reading helps vocabulary and grammar. Start with very simple books, children's short stories, short news for learners, or graded readers. These books use words that match your level.
And read aloud sometimes. Reading aloud helps your mouth and ears work together. You will feel more comfortable speaking.
Another tip is to write a little every day. Write a sentence about your day. For example, today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I walked in the park. Small writing builds confidence. After a month, you will have many sentences. Then try to make a short paragraph.
Yes, and save your sentences. Review them after a week. You'll be surprised how much you remember. Repetition is the secret.
People often ask, how long does it take to get good? The answer is different for everyone. It depends on time and practice. If you practice a little every day, you will see big changes in months. If you practice many hours a day, you will go faster. But what matters is consistency. A small step every day wins.
Now, before we go deeper, we want to ask something small. Please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please subscribe and like. It means a lot. And share with friends who are learning. Thank you so much.
Back to learning tips. A good tip is to use phrases, not only words. Phrases are ready to use. For example, learn I would like, can I have, how much is this? These phrases help in real situations.
And learn questions. Questions open conversation. Simple questions like, where is the bus? What time is it? Can you help me? These questions make you speak more.
Also, learn to say, I don't understand, and can you repeat, please? These sentences are very useful. They make communication smoother and less stressful. People will repeat and help you.
One emotional tip is be kind to yourself. Learning a language is not a race. Be patient. Celebrate small wins. Maybe you can speak 1 minute more than last week. That is progress. Clap for yourself.
Yes, celebrate. When I learned my first long sentence, I walked around my street and smiled. It was a small victory, but it felt big.
Another personal story, I had a language partner from another country. We met online and laughed a lot. Sometimes we made mistakes and laughed. Laughter makes learning joyful. We built a friendship and learned together. That helped me not to feel lonely.
Learning with others keeps you motivated. Find a study buddy or join a small group. Even one weekly meeting helps.
And change your phone language to English if you can. Small immersion helps. Labels, menus, and apps in English make new words stick faster. But do what feels okay. If it's too hard, change only some apps first.
One more practical tip. Use flashcards for words you forget. Write the word on one side and a short sentence on the other. Review them each day. Very simple and very effective.
Now let's give 3 simple goals for beginners to try this week. Goal 1, learn 15 new words this week and make 1 short sentence with each.
Goal 2, listen to a short English audio for 10 minutes every day. Shadow for 2 minutes.
Goal 3, speak with someone in English for at least 5 minutes, maybe once this week. It can be a friend, a tutor, or an online partner.
Try these goals. They are small but powerful. After 1 week, you will feel more confident. After 1 month, you will see real change.
Before we finish, remember these simple rules. Practice daily, make small steps, use phrases, speak with people, and be kind to yourself. And most important, enjoy the process. Learning is an adventure.
Thank you for listening to episode 34. We hope you enjoyed our talk about learning English. We shared tips, small stories, and easy steps. We hope you try them.
Yes, please subscribe to English Podcast channel if you are new. Click the like button and share this episode with your friends. Your support helps us reach more learners. Thank you.
One last thought. Language connects us. When you learn English, you open doors to new people and new places. Take it slow. Be brave and keep going.
And remember, it's okay to be imperfect. Progress is beautiful. Keep smiling and keep speaking. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye. Take care and keep practicing. See you in episode 35.